Hello, this is part 4, Shoot Gun. In this video, I show how to make the player and AI bot shoot. In BP Player character, I add the input action sheet blueprint that fires when you press the left mouse button, and then it will either go to the shotgun or the rifle. Then it calls do shoot, which is the blueprint down here. On the controllers, the white, red, and green, I add this blueprint. This enables the AI bot to find the enemy. On the blackboard, I added enemy sighted and enemy keys. On BP Bot base, I added dshoot fx and dshoot enemy. The dshoot enemy calls dshoot fx right here. I added the BTT shoot enemy task. This is a call to dshoot enemy, and dshoot enemy is inside BP Bot base, which I already showed you. Then on the behavior tree, BT Bot, I added this section here, and I added this declarator here, and this is where it calls the task BTT shoot enemy. That's what shoots the gun. Edit, project settings, input, add action mapping, name it shoot, mouse, left mouse button, and close that. Under content, team TPS, characters, player, double click BP player character. I'm going to program this blueprint called dshoot. This node is a custom event, so right click and search on custom event and name it dshoot. There's two input parameters, start and end, both type vector. On the line trace by channel node, trace channel is camera. Break hit result. To get that, drag on hit and then select break hit result here. Base damage should be 25 here. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BP Player character. I'm going to program input action sheet. Weapon in hand you can drag out from here. This section and this section are almost identical. The only thing that's different is the play animation, the animation that's played. Here it's fire shotgun W, and down here it's fire rifle W. So I'm only going to show this one on the top. This is a sequence. And I'll show this part of the blueprint here. Follow camera, you can drag out from here. This is 1500 here. When you're done, compile and save. Under content, Team TPS, characters, bot, double click BT bot, create a new task, close that, rename the task, BTT Shoot Enemy, double click BP Bot Base. I'm going to program this blueprint, DShootFX. The DShootFX node is a custom event. To get that, you right click and search on custom event and then name it DShootFX. Weapon in hand you can drag out from here. This is fire shotgun W. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BP Bot Base. I'm going to program the DShoot Enemy blueprint. This is a custom event, so right click, search on custom event, and name it DShoot Enemy. It has one input parameter, enemy type actor. To get break hit results, drag this out, then select break hit result here. Trace channel is camera. Base damage is 25. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BTT Shoot Enemy. This is enemy here. make sure to check the success box on this node. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BB Bot. Add the enemy sighted key, key type bool. Add the enemy key, key type object, base class actor. Save that. Double click AIC Bot White. This blueprint was added, so it connects here to here, and this line goes to here, and then this line goes down to here. To get the stimulus, you drag this out and break stimulus here. This is enemy sighted. This is enemy. When you're done, compile and save that. And AIC Bot Red is the same, so I'm not going to show this up close because it's the same as the other one. And AIC Bot Green is also the same, so I'm not going to show this up close. Double click AIC Bot White. Select AI Perception, uncheck neutrals and friendlies, compile, save, close that. Do the same thing to the red, uncheck neutrals and friendlies, compile, save, and the same thing on the green. Uncheck neutrals and friendlies, compile, save. Double click BT Bot. I added this section. I also added this decorator. To create the decorator, highlight the node, right click, add decorator, and select blackboard. This decorator should be is not set enemy sighted and both. This decorator should be is set enemy sighted both. This move to should be 200 and enemy. This should be enemy. This is BTT shoot enemy and then wait. Press play to test. This is the assault rifle. I don't know if you can see this, but when I press shoot, you can see that the animation moves the trigger. And right now, it doesn't cause any damage when you shoot the bot, when the bots shoot the player. So there's no damage or death yet. That's going to be added later. So that's working pretty good. double click BP Bot Base. I changed this to BP Weapon Shotgun so I could test the shotgun. I'll press play. So on the shotgun you can see that it has an animation, and that looks like it's working the way it should. So everything's working okay.